Hey, oh, it's your girl. It's time for another video, Like, comment, share, sub for other videos. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'm gonna be showing you a Coachella look. But before I get into all of that, I'm just showing you the behind the scenes of what goes on when you're trying to be creative, when you're trying to put something out that in your head you want it to go a certain way, but when you actually put it down, it's like, nah, this isn't it. So this was my first attempt. I was trying to use the Shiny Cosmetics 120C palette, and it was just not doing it for me. I'm now trying a pigment from Moon Glow, and I liked this color. I was using the wrong brush. I was trying to see which color would go best with this and stuff like that. So I decided to go with a neon yellow, and I went through with it right up to the wing and stuff like that. And then I ended up going to sleep because I had a headache. So I went to sleep. Um, and then when I woke up, I went back to it and I cleaned it off. Yes, I cleaned it off. And then I just said, you know what? Let me just do something else. So I did something else. So this is to say that don't give up. Um, if you do something and it's not working out, try another way. You never know. There are always different ways to achieve whatever you want. If you gotta stop and go do something, or even look on other stuff just to get your inspiration, go ahead, do that. Don't ever be discouraged. Try to find something that motivates you into doing something. All right, just keep going and you will get to where you want to go. I mean, I'm not perfect. I'm not where I want to be. I want to be the next P. Louise, or those nice graphic kind of makeup artists. Even a Linda Nora. Oh my God, I hope I didn't butcher her name, but yeah, trust me. This is hours later. So I'm taking a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm using that same green to put on the first half of my lid, well, transition area. And then I'm using another pigment from Louis Diamond. This is in royal blue, and I am putting it on the other half. Now I'm taking another pigment in neon yellow, and I'm just buffing out the green, and I'm just using whatever that's left on my brush to buff out the blue. To set my brow bone area, I had used my Laura Mercier powder. Now it's time to cut my crease. So now I wanted an elongated wing, so that is what I'm doing. Cleaning up with Vaseline, using my Q-tip to clean it off, and then I'm going in with my P. Louise base in rumor number 2, and I am just creating a blank canvas so I can apply some more shadow. Any nude shadow will do when you are putting it on the lid, because I just wanted it bare. I never wanted it any color, so I just used whatever color that was the P. Louise base rumor number 2 shade. All right, now I'm taking my LA color, I believe, liquid liner in black, and I'm just creating my wing. Now this is a glitter from Amazon, and it's a chunky liquid liner. I really like these. I have them in a lot of colors. They're really nice and easy to work with. Now I'm going into the Beauty Dance Party, and this is what I'm going to use to outline the top part of my wing liner. All right. I'm using an brush applicator from another neon color. I like it. Now I wanted them both to dry because we're gonna go in with rhinestones. But before that, once we do something to one eye, we gotta do it to the next, okay? And then we dry it. My rhinestones are from Shop Miss A. They're actually nail art rhinestones. So I'm just putting one butterfly down and then four rhinestones, two on either side of the butterfly. And then I'm going in with a big rhinestone and then putting some small ones around it. All right. That's all I'm doing for my rhinestones. Now I'm taking my tag paint, but I am using the orange shade, and I place that on my waterline, and I am going to set it and also go on my lash line with a orange pigment. All right, and this pigment is from Louis Diamond. All right, she sells pigments, she sells glitter, she sells everything. Trust me, anything makeup, you can go check her out. All right, there you go. So now it's time for the lips. I am using a lavender color from Clean Colors. It's actually a matte lip gloss type of thing. Well, that's what it says on the container. There you go. Madeline Matte Lip Gloss. That's what it is. And to top it off, I am putting my diamond gloss on top because you girl love a gloss. Now I'm using some setting spray to set my face, and then I'm buffing it out with a beauty blender. And that's the end of my look. I opt to go for a colorful Coachella look, and this is it. And I put my hair in pigtails. Yeah, isn't this a cute look? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, which everything is linked under Formosa Fantasy. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Yes, I am on all of those. So, thanks again for watching, and until next time, bye beauties.